And these kids are doing what kids do best. Doing nothing. It's not a busy day, it's a Saturday. What are you doing?
Making a castle.
Making a castle?
Oh, yes, making an ugly castle.
Making an ugly castle.
Making a beautiful castle.
Well, Jaden making castle?
Yes. See what they can make another pool.
And then we have Sky and Malia on this side.
The more prettier people.
What are you doing?
And building a big. We're going to build
What are you building? A mini what?
beach.
A mini beach at the beach.
Yes.
Oh wow. So creative.
No, I'm going to make.
Alright, so we're gonna come back and we're gonna look at your finished mini beach. Say bye.
Bye.
Guys, the day is so beautiful. It's like it has been a wonderful one so far. So guys, yes, here at the beach, I have to be covering up